Alright, in this video we're going to be going over how to evaluate prefix expressions. In other words, how to go from prefix notation back into infix notation, which we are comfortable with as humans to perform calculations with and to do algebra on. So, if you remember from the last video, from going from postfix to prefix notation, let's just go ahead and give a sample problem. A plus B divided by C minus D. So that is the infix notation. And to make it go to postfix, it would be A plus B, C, D minus that. And we went ahead and started from the left. We went to the right, and we utilized what we call a stack. So A, B, and plus, so then we would go plus second operand, first operand, depending on what I pop off first. And we put that back into the stack. C, D, minus, pop off the top, pop off the next one, which is the D, second operand, pop off the next one, C, and then we have division, so we pop off the division, pop off C minus D, pop off A plus B, and we have converted postfix back into prefix. So it's a similar thing for converting from prefix back into infix, and here's how we do it. So we have the same problem, but instead we have negative minus AB minus C D division. And if you forgot how to convert from infix to prefix, I encourage you to watch a couple of episodes or videos before where I explain how to do it. So the only difference though is in this case, we start at the right side and we go left. And we still utilize the stack structure. So let's push a D. Let's push the C. Let's push the minus. Oh no, it's an operator, so I pop that off. Now, here's one of the two differences. The first difference was starting from the right and going left. The second difference is that the first one we pop off is actually the first operand now. Okay, and the second one we pop off is the second operand. Let's continue. Push the B, push the A, push the subtraction, pop it off. A, the first one we pop off is the first operand. Pop off the B, and then push it back on. Then I push on the division. Let's pop it off now. We pop off the A minus B. It will be our first operand because it's the first one we pop off. And we pop off the C minus D. I'm sorry, that should have been a plus sign right there. So let's go ahead and change this to a plus to make it true to what we had originally. So there you go. That's how you convert from prefix to infix. So if you're already very comfortable converting from postfix to infix and evaluating those postfix expressions, it should be fairly simple for you to catch up on the prefix to infix. Let's just go ahead and do this page of practice, and I think you'll be pretty good. Alright, so let's start the right side. We have a G. We have F. And we have plus. So we pop off the plus. Then we pop off the F. Let's go ahead and erase those. First one we pop off is the first operand. Second one we pop off is the second operand. Push it back on. E, T, minus. Let's pop off the minus, pop off the D, pop off the E, and push it back on. Okay, now we have multiply. So let's pop off the multiply, pop off the D minus E, pop off, oh, I made a mistake right there. D minus E was the first one we popped off, so it should be on the left side. And then pop off the F plus G. And then push it back on. Okay, now we push C, B, A, plus. So let's pop off the plus, pop off the A, pop off the B, and then push them back on. So I'm not illustrating every step, but if you watch the previous video, understand how postfix to infix works, you understand what I'm doing right here. Now I push on the multiply. Let's pop that off. Pop off the first operand. Pop off the second operand, and push that back on. Alright, now I push on a minus. So I left that there on purpose, so I don't have to rewrite the first operand. Just going to put parentheses, minus. That's right there. This is right here. And let's go ahead and D minus E times F plus G. Alright, and last problem. Start from the right. D, C division, C, D, B, A multiply. This is times A, B, and push on a plus. Let's pop it off. Pop it off. And then pop off the C divided by D. So there's our answer. Alright. I do have more practice problems if you want. And go ahead and give those a try. But until then, I hope that you enjoyed this series on converting from infix to prefix and to postfix, and converting back from postfix and prefix to infix, as well as, why exactly we would want to do it. Even though humans are accustomed to programming or calculating things in infix notation, computers actually benefit greatly from prefix and postfix notation, because they don't have to deal with all these parentheses.